Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th, NCERT chapter 14 statistics. In the previous lecture I have told you the measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. So mean I have explained in the previous lecture, in which the x bar is mean for raw observation sigma xi upon n. And the second formula, if it is ungrouped frequency distribution is given, so sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, it is given in the previous lecture. Now we will see the median. Median is the middlemost value. Median is the middlemost value of the arranged data. What is the given observation? We have arranged the data, and that is ascending order or in the descending order, is called the median. It is a middlemost value of the arranged data. It is not the raw data given in haphazard way. So first of all you will arrange the ascending or descending, then the middlemost value will be the median. There is a two type of arrangement. When the number of observation, which is called n, is odd. Odd means observation is not odd. There are numbers like 5 observations are there, 7 observations are there, 9 observations are there. So then the formula of the median will be n plus 1 whole power h, n plus 1 by 2. Place observation of the arranged data. What is the data given? In that you will get n plus 1 upon 2th place. N is the odd plus 1 even upon 2th place data. But when the n number of observation is even, then what will you do? Then their formula is changed. What is the formula? N by 2, because even is divided by 2. Even means divided by 2. N by 2th place plus n by 2 plus 1th place divided by 2. But observations must be arranged. What is? Only in the arranged observation, not without arrangement. Otherwise you will get the, for example, you see, then you can understand easily. So first for odd I am taking. When the observations, number of observations are even odd both, but you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a number of observation which is odd. What is the observation? It is no matter. It may be odd or it may be even. Then what will be the arrange it? What is the arrangement? 20 plus 20 is smallest one. Then 29, then 30, 35. I am arranging in the ascending order. I am counting here first and written. Again you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because when any number is missing, then you can get the other one. So 7 is here, 7 also here. Now median. What is the median? So median is equal to, by formula, n plus 1 by 2, median odd plus 1, 7 plus 1 by 2th place means 7 plus 1 8th, 8th by 2th place, 4th place value. 4 is not the median. 4th place value is the median. What is the 4th place? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a coming 4, but I am taking from, wrongly I am taking. What was the rule? Arranged data. So here you will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the box here. It is your median. Very simple. Don't count here. Sometimes both are same, no matter, but your counting must be in the arrangement data, which is arranged already. Second one. Second I am taking even. Even, for example, 105, 195, some values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, first step is this, you count and write. I am counting and writing. 8 is even. Arrange it. After even or odd, both the cases you arrange. 45 is smallest, 60, 80, 95, 100, 105, 109, 200. This arrangement, because it is even, so formula will be not n plus 1, it will be n by 2, directly 2 is divided by 2. Then n by 2 plus 1, first divide, then write 1. It is not that you take the LCM, or not whole, 1 by 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1. So it will get 4th and 5th place. 4th and 5th place number upon 2 you want median. Therefore median is, leave here, go there on the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 80, and but it is again wrong. I am counting here. No, you will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Put the whole In this, like this, you will put in the box, and these two number you write at the place of fourth and fifth. 95 plus 100, 195. Your answer is 97.5 is the what? 97.5 is the median of given data, middlemost value. It means the half is more than half numbers are less and half numbers are more than median. Median is a number which gives the half is less than this, median middlemost, and half is more than this. Rest of them. Mode. Next measure of central tendency is mode, which is very important. It is a value of observation which occurs most frequently. Most frequently, maximum time repeated, or observation whose frequency is maximum. It may be repeated two times also, or single median mode you can get. Find mode of this data I have given. N is 11, odd even, no matter, you arrange it only. Only you arrange, then it is easy to count. I have arranged it in ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7, double, triple 8, 9. Here double 5, double 7, but 8 is 3 times. So what is the mode? Who is maximum time? It may be 9 also, it may be 7 also. Here it may be 2 also. Which is maximum time repeated, it is called your mode. So mode is 8. Mode is 8. You are getting mode is 8. Here maybe if the 7 is also 3 times, then their mode is 7 and 8 both. If 5 is also 3 times, then their mode will be 5, 7 and 8. So which is repeated maximum time? Next example, find the mean, median and mode. One example I have given. So first of all, what is your duty? Count it. How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is odd or even? Odd. All the cases you arrange it. It is mean, median or mode. Arranged. Smallest one greater than, then again count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sometimes it is missing and you are not knowing that. So 9 here you have counted, it must be 9 here. Which is the maximum time repeated? 9 2 times, so mode is 9. Median, because of odd, n plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 by 2 means 5th place. What is there? 5th, 9 plus 1, 5th place. But what is the 5th place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5th place is 8. Here also. So, but you will not count here. Where will you count? In the range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is your median. So median is 8. Mean, add all. Sigma xi upon n. You add here or here. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11. Directly you are getting 65. No need to write plus sign. Formula you apply, your answer is 7.22. So mean is 7.2, median is 7.8 and mode is 9. You are getting this. All are different. Sometimes 2 will be same. Next example, calculate the mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode of the given values. 5 salaries are there. N is 5, odd, arrange. So it is a salary of 5 persons. Mean, sigma xi upon n, add 5 4 ja 20 plus 15. 35 by 5, 7000 is the mean. Median, n plus 1 by 2th, because odd is here. 6, third place number. Third place, 1, 2, 3, 5000. And what is the mode? 5000 maximum time repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 5000 is the mode. So median and mode is same, but mean is different. Now we will see the exercise 14.4. Exercise 14.4, question number 1 and 2. What is 1? The following numbers were scored by a team in series of 10 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 5. Find the mean, median, mode and. So first of all, what is n? 10 matches. Even. Arrange it. After the arrangement, what will you do? Median, because even n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. N by 2, 10 half is 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 5th plus 6th place by 2. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 both are 3, so you are getting 3 plus 3, 6. Your median is 3. Mode is also 3. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 times it is repeated. Maximum time it is repeated. That's why 3 is the mode. Mean sum of all. Add it, you are getting sigma xi upon n, 28 by 10, 2.8. So 3, 3 and 2. Second question of this exercise is given. In the mathematics test given, 15 students are the following marks out of 100 are recorded. This find the mean, median and mode of this data. Very simple. 15 are there, n is 15 given. So you arrange it. Arrangement you are seeing. 1, 2, 3, 39, 42 times 41, then 40, 52, 3 times like this, 54, 60, 62, 96, 98. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You very carefully you count here and there both the places. Median, because of what, n plus 1, 8th place. So 8th place value of arranged data. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you put in the box here and here you write the answer. But in this case you see what is you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is 40. If you by mistake count here, then your answer will be wrong. Always in the arranged data. Then what will you get? Median mode. Mode is 52 because it is 3 times. And mean will be sum of all sigma xi upon n. Add it in the rough column or directly. 822 by 15, 54.8 is your answer. So 52 median and mode same. So like this you have completed 13.42 questions. In the next lecture, next part I will tell you. Thanks for today.